Stay high for the most of the time. Meet a stranger, jump right in your climb. Waking up on your sofa next to half-filled bottles from last night. I don't even know where we are. I'm naked and I don't know you. But if you wanna go sometime, if you wanna leave this town, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Tell me if you wanna go sometime. Yeah, we could be alone tonight. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about what I did over the summer to my teeth. Before we get started, you guys know the drill. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and also turn on notifications so you guys can be updated every single time I upload. I really try to upload Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, so you can always come back and check my videos then. Also, go ahead and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. It really helps me out. And follow me on all of my social medias. I'll have them down here somewhere for you to click. And comment down below and tell me all of your tips and tricks to keep your smile nice and white and almost perfect. Alright, you guys, let's get started. And I'll apologize beforehand, but I'm not feeling my greatest. My allergies are like through the roof and I'm really trying to like continue with the video. But yeah, I already took my medicine, but it takes like an hour to come full effect, so I'm sorry if I sound really bad. So the two topics that we're going to be talking about is bonding and my teeth whitening treatment that I did. So there are spoilers, I already gave it out. That is exactly what I had done over the summer, and I'll kind of get more in depth as I go through the video. So I just kind of want to get it out there. Not a big mystery. It was bonding and teeth whitening treatment. So yeah. I guess I'll start with kind of telling you guys a backstory on me and my teeth. So I had crooked teeth for a really long time, and when I say crooked, I mean crooked. They were really bad, they were horrible, and I was actually really self-conscious about it. And it was something that made me really feel kind of bad, and I was always really shy around people because of that. I tried not to smile, you know, all of my younger pics, you can see myself trying not to smile because I didn't really want anybody to see my teeth. And even if you go back and you see my early videos, I didn't have braces in those videos, and you can see that I am, you know, trying to prevent the camera from focusing on my teeth, and it was really difficult for me. So you guys are probably asking yourselves, why didn't you get braces when you were like a teenager or, you know, younger? And the reason is I was terrified of being bullied in school over that, and I just, at that time, I preferred having crooked, ugly teeth than having wires in my mouth. That's the story, and I completely refused to getting braces. It was something that I was not gonna do, and my mom didn't end up forcing me. At the end of the day, it was kind of my choice, and I didn't want them. Of course, rewind a few years later when I was an adult, I really regretted that decision because hello, I was an adult with crooked teeth, and I felt really bad about it. It really affected my self-esteem. So finally, when I did decide to get braces, I had the best experience with the ortho that I went to, and I had my braces on for 2.5 years, and oh my god, I loved my braces. I think I was so confident in my braces because I knew by the time it was going to be over that it was so well worth it. So I never had trouble with braces or anything. I even documented my journey here on YouTube, so I'll have like the playlist somewhere up here so you guys can go directly to it if you want to see, you know, since like day one of when I got my braces up until now. You can probably see how jacked up my teeth were. Not gonna put pictures or insert anything here because it's actually quite embarrassing still. So I like those images are like erased from my mind. So after the 2.5 years, I got my braces removed and I was happy. I was a content person. I was excited. I was smiling away. I loved it. But I will say that once you go through the process of like getting braces, and you know, it's like not a painful experience, but it's a long and tedious experience. You know, you're going every month to get your teeth worked in, stuff like that, that you start being really picky. Now again, I was super happy with how my teeth looked. I was ecstatic because I had really bad teeth. But when I got my braces off, I noticed that my two front teeth never really aligned. One was always longer than the other. And I talked about this multiple times in my braces journey videos, and I told you guys how I really was annoyed by that, but it wasn't a big deal at the time. I feel like if I'm talking or if people were like in front of me, they probably didn't notice. I noticed when I was editing and when I was like editing pics and stuff like that, because obviously, you know, I'm very like self-critical of myself. So obviously I'm gonna be like, oh, my teeth right there, like that one looks longer than the other one. Obviously that's how I'm going to be because I feel like I'm a self-proclaimed perfectionist. So obviously it would bother me. So over the summer, my cousin is actually an ortho, and I told her, and she's like, I can totally fix that for you. And I was like, really? I was like, I don't want to get braces again. She's like, you don't have to. We're gonna try a bonding treatment. And I was like, wait, what? I didn't really know what it was. Basically, tooth bonding or bonding treatment is a procedure where they put like material that is the same color as your teeth, and they sort of shape it to how they want it. They put a light on it and it just bonds to your teeth. So what I ended up having, my two front teeth were extended, so down here, that is not my teeth. That is the bonding. That is the material that she bonded to my tooth. And that is just to make the illusion that my teeth are perfectly straight right there. Obviously, I have straight teeth because of my braces treatment, but this is just more of a cosmetic perfection type of thing. So, I mean, if you're not picky like I am, you probably don't have to get this done, but I just really enjoyed it. I love it. The minute she did it, I saw a huge difference. And also, she actually told me that my teeth were round and your teeth are naturally supposed to be a little bit more squared off. So she fixed that for me. She made them more of a square, and now when I smile, it looks just like everything's kind of more even. And I really like that. It's just, in my head, it makes me feel better. Now, it didn't hurt at all. It honestly took about 15 minutes to get that done. At first, it did feel a little bit weird because you notice that it's not, like, it's something weird there that does not belong to you. But I swear, like, a day later, it's like nothing. It's completely nice. And she also said that this actually protects my actual teeth from cracking or anything like that. But I do need to be careful, so I can't like bite my nails, which is fine because I don't bite my nails. I can like bite into an apple because it will crack, you know. It will crack, you know. It's not really my teeth. It's a sort of material there. So you do kind of have to be careful with the things that you eat just so it doesn't crack. And if it does crack, then you can always just go back and they'll fix it. So it's not a huge deal. And also, like I said, it kind of protects your own teeth from anything happening to them. So that is the next thing I did was a teeth whitening treatment. Now, she told me that my teeth were actually not yellow. They were gray. They had a gray tint, which in fact was even worse than having a yellow tint. So I was really bummed out about that. I was like, wait, what? They're worse? She was like, yeah, but I can totally get them to a better color. So I did the teeth whitening treatment. First, she puts like some kind of product. I don't know. I'm not like a dentist or an ortho, I'm sorry, but she did a product first to just kind of seal my enamel and make sure it doesn't get affected, and then she went ahead and put that clear gooey stuff that most teeth whitening things come with, and then she put the light on, and I was with the light for about 50 minutes. She says some people cannot take that much, and some people, you know, have to only take 20 or 30 minutes. It's not damaging to your teeth, so you could do it more often than not, but I mean, it's not recommended for you to do it like every month. Like maybe every 3 months it's okay, or like every 4 months. But, you know, not every single month, because even though it's not damaging, you're not supposed to do it that often. For me, at least, I noticed a huge difference. The experience being there, being 50 minutes with the light on your mouth and your mouth wide open was annoying. She told me, you can go ahead and fall asleep, but I'm not a fast sleeper like that, so obviously I couldn't do that. And it was just annoying because I was also afraid to like open my eyes because the light was like everywhere, and I'm just like super nervous about those things. So yeah, laying there for 50 minutes was not so fun. I didn't really experience any pain or anything. Twice during the 50 minutes that I was there, I did feel like a cramping on one of my tooth. I don't know which one. It was somewhere down here, and it did hurt. It was just like, ooh, like it was really, I can't describe it. It was a weird feeling, and I felt it twice, and the second time that I felt it, it was bad. And she was like, okay, that's enough. That's all your teeth can take, 50 minutes. And I was, okay, cool. So throughout the day, I did have a little bit of sensitivity, not a lot. Maybe if I had like a really cold drink, then it would be kind of funny on my teeth, so I tried to avoid that. And also for the first, I think it's 72 hours, because it's, yeah, for the first 72 hours you're not supposed to have anything that stains your clothes will stain your teeth. So I couldn't have like soda, I couldn't have coffee, like ketchup, any of those like staining type of foods I couldn't have for the first 72 hours. And that's basically it. The first day that I had the whitening thing, I didn't really experience pain either. A little bit of sensitivity, and then after the first day, everything was great. So that is kind of the things that I did over the summer to my smile, and I'm really happy about it. I think it was great, and for sure in a couple of months I'm gonna do another whitening treatment because I really liked it and I really saw a huge difference in my teeth. So that's kind of my little update on my whole smile journey, I guess. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helps you out in any way. Maybe you guys want to try this whole bonding thing, or if you guys want to try a whitening treatment. I always say go to an ortho. I had a whitening treatment that was like at home, but I was always kind of skeptical about that, and I'm so glad I didn't do it because my cousin said that those like home whitening treatments are actually really damaging to your pearly whites. So don't do those. Try to go to somewhere where they know what they're doing and stuff like that. But anyways, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.